In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to potentially safeguard yourself and take meaningful steps if you've fallen victim to a cryptocurrency scam, particularly within Trust Wallet. Let's dive right into it, acknowledging first that losing your crypto can be distressing, but understanding the correct steps to take is crucial for minimizing any further damage. To begin, it's important to note that the blockchain, by design, is immutable. This means transactions cannot be reversed, so any service claiming the ability to recover stolen crypto, like RetrieveTron or others, should be approached with extreme caution. Many of these services are scams themselves, falsely promising to recover lost funds for a fee, or worse, by asking for your seed phrase, which you should never, under any circumstances, share with anyone. What you can and should do immediately is secure any remaining funds you have. This involves creating a new wallet. Moving your unaffected crypto to a new, secure wallet is essential, ensuring you're not leaving anything vulnerable to further attacks. Once your funds are secured, the next step is to report the scam. Trust Wallet has an official support system where you can report fraudulent activity, and it's important to do so to help protect other users and potentially facilitate an investigation. Moreover, reporting to your local cybercrime unit is equally crucial. Every bit of information they can gather could be instrumental in tracking down fraudulent actors. In cases where your losses are significant, considering blockchain tracing might be worthwhile. This involves sophisticated techniques to follow the path of your lost cryptocurrency through the blockchain. However, it's imperative to engage only with reputable companies for this service. Be wary of those that charge hefty upfront fees, as this is often a sign of another potential scam. Most importantly, moving forward, safeguard yourself from future incidents. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. These are the keys to your digital safe, and keeping them secure ensures that your crypto remains yours alone. As a rule of thumb, always verify the credibility of any platform or service before interacting with it. By taking these steps promptly and acting with caution, you help shield your assets and contribute valuable information that could assist in cybersecurity efforts on a larger scale. Remember, while recovering stolen crypto may seem daunting, the priority is to protect what remains and prevent future occurrences. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there in the digital landscape.